So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a sleek straight hair look. Very simple. I saw a picture of Meghan Markle on her recent trip to England and I absolutely just loved the style of it. It was so simple but so sleek. And I thought, why don't I just recreate it and show you guys how it's done. If you're new to my channel, hello. I would greatly appreciate a like, share and subscribe and watch on to see how the style is done. Going from this to this. Starting off with, obviously taking my hair down, I'm going to be, I was going to do it in a middle parting, but I don't really think a middle parting suits me. So my hair has been washed yesterday and it's wavy. But I thought, and it's generally actually quite straight actually, let's be honest, it's quite straight. So I'm going to go through my hair and straighten it. So I'm going to section my hair and start from the bottom. Okay, I'm going to be using my classic GHD straightener. I've had them for about 10 years now and they have lasted me the entire time. I will start off with putting some Tresemme Heat Protect Spray in my hair. This Heat Protect Spray, you won't recognise the bottle because it was a limited edition for New York Fashion Week. I don't know if you can see the design. It was actually one of my projects when I used to work for Tresemme, so I'm proud of it and I've kept it like a little trophy. And I'm going to be using it in my hair now because I don't think I've actually ever opened it. So, put a couple of sprays and make sure it's all across the hair. Okay. So one thing I do when I'm straightening, which I think helps just to make the hair a bit sleeker, I actually like using a comb as I straighten. I know some people don't and it's probably like a bit extra, you don't actually need to do it, but I really like it because I just feel like it gives the hair an extra little, just gives it an extra little comb through and makes the hair a bit straighter. So we're going to go throughout, so I'm just going to get, I have a lot of hair and my hair is a bit thick, so that's why I do a few sections at a time. You don't have to do it section by section like this, you can just like go over your hair with a straightener. So a tip that I can give you right now is, as you straighten, when you come, I don't know if you can see it, towards the end of the hair, I like to just curve or turn the straightener slightly just so there's a little curve at the end, and I feel like, for me anyway, it can just change the entire look and just make it a little bit more, basically I like curving my hair, so I don't like it when hair is completely straight. That's just a personal preference, but I just like to add a little flick at the end because it just, as much as it has been straightened, it makes me feel like the hair looks a bit more natural. Okay. I think the brush, well not the brush but the comb also helps with, if you want to go over your hair multiple times, you don't have to touch your hand to it directly because obviously your hair is going to be hot from the heat. God, I actually haven't had my hair straight. I actually haven't straightened my hair like this in years. In actual years. So basically I basically stopped straightening my hair when the trend of like a messy down hair look came in, and my hair is naturally straight, so I was basically trying to aim for this boho, I don't touch my hair sort of look, and that is actually the thing that stopped me from using heat in my hair, because I didn't want to miss out on this look. And it actually ended up being a really good decision, because my hair is actually like it's so healthy, and the only reason I know that is because every time I go to a hairdresser they're just like, oh my god, your hair is so healthy, which obviously makes me feel good, because I'm proud to have good hair. So then I'm just gonna, you know what I might do, I'm just gonna straighten my hair like this, and then we'll see if I can do like a, this is how it looks without a middle parting, and this is how it looks with a middle parting. Okay, so this is all my hair straightened. I'm never really good with partings because I can just never get them straight. Just like that. It's not straight. Okay, and then okay, so my god, my hair has not been this straight in such a long time. Hair is now straight. So then what we're gonna do is take some hair out there, take some hair out here. I'm just gonna tie this bit back actually. Okay, so you can actually use a toothbrush to do it, but I have one of these hairbrushes, and this is a salon service professional backcombing brush. I'm just gonna use some hairspray, so I'm going to be using the Bedhead, it's called Masterpiece, and I'm going to spray it and then spray some onto my, just brush my hair. This helps to control an element of frizz, and then tuck it behind the ear. Now what you can do, you can either grab these two and use a tie, one of these elastic bands to tie it together so it holds, or you can grab a bobby pin. So I am going to use bobby pins, just so, or I might just mix them both together. So just put it under the ear so then it's out of the way, and if you basically double cross, it means your pins will not move. So just put one more. Yep. And then same on this side. Add a little spray. So I've decided, I've pinned both sides down, and I'm grabbing one of these just to secure it a bit more, and I'm tying it as a little ponytail, just so it just kind of tightens the hair. And then we can do so what I'm going to do now is get some bits of hair from here and back comb, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Professional Technique Art, and this is the powder spray. So this helps to create a bit of grip for any sort of back combing that you want to do in your hair. So you just lift a little piece, just lift it up like that, spray the root, and I'm going to use this to back comb. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Depending on how heavy you want your back comb to be, you can back comb parts of your hair. Okay, so this is version 1 of the look. You can add some hairspray on top if you like, just to set it in. You can either keep your parting if you're parting like naturally if it sits this way, or you can... No, I'm not going to say that this is going to suit me. So let's just try it out, because why not? And then what I like to use as a measure of my middle of my head is the tip of my nose. So you usually just do a straight line like this. Let it go all the way down. Find the parting. And then you're left with your hair like this. And then the same technique, grab the brush. Because I've just unbrushed my hair, I'm just gonna put a bit of hairspray on, comb it in, and then pull, and then just put it behind the ears, and bobby pin. Tie it at the bottom because I just find it to be more secure. Let my hair loose. So then you can also do it the middle parting way, and then just add a bit more volume in your back comb here, and then bring it to the front, and voila! You have sleek hair with a middle parting. You can go in and you can add some more volume into your crown if you feel like it's too flat at the front and you want to add more height at the back. And obviously you can wear this hair look messy, curly, whatever you want. I just was really inspired by Meghan Markle's look, and yeah, let me know what you think and which parting that you prefer. And if you like this video and you want to see more, click that subscribe button, click the like button, and click the share button. And I will see you on my next video. Please let me know if there are any other styles that you would like to see videos of in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.